In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your address from a PayPal invoice. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you every step of the way to ensure that you feel confident and competent in managing your invoices just the way you want. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your PayPal account and head over to the summary page. This is your main dashboard where you'll find a variety of options to manage your account, conduct transactions, and create invoices. It's the perfect starting point for editing any information related to your account or transactions. Once you're on the summary page, keep an eye out for the Send and Request section. This is a crucial part of the process because it directs you to the section where you can manage outgoing invoices. Clicking on this will lead you to more options specifically tailored to sending and requesting money, including creating invoices. After you've navigated to the Send and Request page, look for the option that says Send an Invoice and click on it. This will take you to the invoicing section of PayPal, where you have the opportunity to create new invoices or edit existing ones. By accessing this area, you're just a few clicks away from updating or removing the address information from your invoices. Now that you're in the right section, you'll see an icon resembling a pencil. This symbolizes the edit function. Hover over this icon and click it to open up the editing options for your invoices. Clicking the pencil icon is your gateway to altering any field on your invoice, making it core to personalizing your documentation as needed. With the editing options now available, scroll to find and click on the address field. It will typically reside somewhere near the top or the billing section of the invoice. Clicking on it will allow you to manage which details are displayed on the invoices you are sending out. Once you've opened the address field, the final step is to click on the option that says Don't Show on Invoices. This is the option you need to select if you're aiming to conceal your address on invoices moving forward. By doing this, you're ensuring that your personal address details stay private, aligning with your preferences for personal information security. By following these steps, you can successfully and easily remove your address from PayPal invoices. This not only gives you control over your privacy, but also ensures transparency and clarity in your invoicing processes. Remember, managing your account settings is all about making the platform work on your terms, catering to your unique needs and preferences. So take a moment to review, and if everything looks good, you're set. Thank you for joining me in today's walkthrough. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Happy invoicing!